Hi, my name is Chang. This video is designed for beginner Blue Mon speakers. In this video, we will go over the third consonant in the Blue Mon language. The consonant sounds are GLA, 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 CHA, 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 FLA, 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 CHA, 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 CAW, 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 NA, 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 YA, 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 GA, 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 DRA, DRA, DRA. Let's go over once more. GLA, CHA, FLA, CHA, CAW, NA, YA, GA, GA, DRA. Please join me in the upcoming video to learn more about the Blue Mon consonants. Thank you. Bye-bye.